Do you ever feel scared to check your bank balance? Like, what if it's worse than you thought? What if it's embarrassing? You tell yourself next month will be better, but somehow it never is. Your wallet feels empty, your bills keep piling up, and saving money seems impossible. Today, I'm going to share 4 simple but powerful steps that can help you save money even if you're starting with nothing. Step 1. Track every dollar like a detective. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a where the heck did it go problem. 1. Download a free budgeting app like Mint or YNAB. 2. Write down every expense. Yes, even that late-night Taco Bell run. 3. Identify where your money is leaking. Those just one-time Starbucks trips. They add up fast. Step 2. The needs versus wants. Ask yourself, do I need this or do I just want it? Rent, groceries, bills, needs. Netflix, DoorDash, impulse shopping, wants. Try this challenge. Next time you're about to spend money, ask yourself, would future me regret this? If yes, put it back. Step 3. The $5 rule. Small savings add up big. Think saving $5 a day is pointless? Do the math. $5 per day equals $150 per month. In a year, $1,800. That's a vacation. In 5 years, $9,000. A used car. Step 4. Make more money. Even $100 helps. If you're broke, saving alone won't fix it. You need to make more. Easy side hustles you can start today. Freelancing, Upwork, Fiverr, TaskRabbit. Selling digital products, Etsy, Gumroad, Redbubble. AI-powered side hustles, ChatGPT, Midjourney. Imagine if you made an extra $500 a month. How much easier would life feel? It's not about being rich. It's about being smart. Being broke is temporary. Staying broke is a choice. Which money-saving hack will you try first? Comment below which step you'll try first. Like and subscribe for more finance hacks by Stickman.